Hello everyone, I am K. Rajesh from CSC C section. Today I am here to speak about Planck's quantum theory of black body radiation. Contents: motivation, definition of a black body radiation laws. First one, the Planck's law. Second, the Wein's displacement law. Third, the Stephen Boltzmann law. Fourth, the Rayleigh-Jeans law. Applications for black body. Conclusion and summary. Motivation: the black body is importance in thermal radiation theory and practice. The ideal black body notation is important in studying thermal radiation and electromagnetic radiation transfer in all wavelength bands. The black body is used as a standard with which the absorption of real bodies is compared. Definition of a black body: a black body is an ideal body which allows the whole of the incident radiation to pass into itself without reflecting the energy. The absorbs within itself this whole incident radiation without passing on the energy. This property is valid for radiation corresponding to all wavelengths and to all angles of incidence. Therefore, the black body is an ideal absorber of incident radiation. Black body radiation laws. 1. First, the Rayleigh-Jeans law. It agrees with experimental measurements for long wavelengths. It predicts an energy output that diverges towards infinity as wavelength grows smaller. The failure has become known as the ultraviolet catastrophe. I lambda t is equal to 2 pi c k T by lambda power 4. Ultraviolet catastrophe. I is equal to 2 pi c k T by lambda power 4. This formula also had a problem. The problem was the lambda term is denominator. For large wavelength, it fitted the experimental data, but it had major problem at shorter wavelengths. Black body radiation loss. 2. Planck's law. We have the forms as a function of a wavelength. A is equal to 2hc square by lambda power 4, and as a function of frequency 2h v cube is by c square. The Planck's law gives the distribution that peaks at a certain wavelength. The peaks shift to shorter wavelengths offer higher temperatures, and the area under the curve glows rapidly with increasing temperature. Comparison between classical and quantum viewpoints. There is a good fit at long wavelengths, but at short wavelengths there is a major disagreement. Black body radiation loss. 3. Wein's displacement law. It tells us as we heat a object up, its color changes from red to orange to white hot. You can use this to calculate the temperature of stars. The surface temperature of the sun is 5778 K. This temperature corresponds to the peak emission 502 nm is equal to about 5000 amperes. B is the constant of proportionality called Wein's displacement constant and equals 2.897768 5 into 51 into 10 power minus 3 meters. K is equal to 2.8977 5 into 51 into 10 power 6 nmk. Black body radiation laws. 4. The Stephens-Boltzmann law gives the total energy being emitted at all wavelengths by the black body, which is the area under the Planck's law curve. Explains the growth in the height of the curve as the temperature increases. Notice that this growth is very abstract. Sigma is equal to 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 joules per second meter square. k power 4, known as the Stephens-Boltzmann constant. Bol- Black body radiation law 5. Comparison of Rayleigh-Jean's law with Wein's law and Planck's law for the body of 8 mK temperature. Applications for black body. The area of Earth's disk as viewed from surface is area is equal to pi r square. The total area incident on Earth is incident area is equal to pi r square s. The area absorbed by the Earth's or atmospheric system as viewed from surface is absorbed energy is equal to pi r square s into 1 minus a. As we know that bodies must be in radiative equilibrium, the solar energy striking its disk as viewed from space is re-emitted as thermal radiation by the surface of the entire globe. As described by the Stephen-Boltzmann's law, emitted energy is equal to 4 pi r square rho t square. Set the absorbed energy equal to the emitted energy. Pi r square s into 1 minus a is equal to 4 pi square rho Te. Solving the T yields T is equal to s naught into 1 minus a by 4 root, that is equal to 1370 into 1 minus 0.3 by 4.5 4 into 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 whole power 1 by 4. This is equal to 255 Kelvin. Conclusion. As the temperature increases, the peak wavelength emitted by the black body decreases. As the temperature increases, the total energy emitted increases because the total area under the curve increases. The curve gets infinitely close to the x-axis but never touches it. Summary. A black body is a theoretical object that absorbs 100% of the radiation that hits it. Therefore, it reflects on radiation and appears perfectly black. Roughly, we can say that the stars radiate like black body radiators. This is important because it means that we can use the theory of black body radiators to infer things about stars. At a particular temperature, the black body would emit the maximum amount of energy possible for the temperature. Black body radiation does not depend on the type of object emitting it. Entire spectrum of black body radiation depends on only one parameter, the temperature, T. Thank you.